Hey, so just to give you a quick update on BTC. So I supplied my new account where I put us in a bullish scenario where we're in a wave 5 that's going to go straight up to 10K with obviously some corrections along the way, but we're going to keep going up to 10K. I really love that account. I think it's viable. I think it works. I haven't been able to come up with a reason to invalidate it, but up until I spotted that, I didn't see anybody else anywhere on Twitter spot that account. But up until I did, I was operating under the same assumption a lot of other people were, which is that we are sort of in a B wave right now in an ABC correction, and we still have that bigger drop down to the lower 7s, mid 6,000 range. So just so you can see what I'm thinking, looking at what we're seeing right now, you can see that we got rejected at the 222, which is one of my major Ichima EMAs, right? One of my major dynamic support resistance levels. So here we got rejected. There was a lot of rejection there because we had 4 or 5 candles in a row on the hourly that got rejected. And then we caught a rejection, or we didn't catch a rejection rather, but we're testing it right now. We have broken above the 222 right here. Now, we haven't closed above the 222. We closed right on the 222, but I'm going to consider this a confirmed 222 breakage because we did break substantially enough above it, and it looks like the new hourly candle started right at the 222. Yeah, okay, so we closed above the 222 as far as I'm concerned. We're now above the 222. So that's a great sign. That could mean that we can keep moving up. However, I do want to caution everybody, this could still be a B wave. Let me show you. Let me load my other chart layout. Let's see. Is it the majors one? I think that's where I have my major BTC chart. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. So in here, I had this drawn with my ABC. The B was actually pretty accurate. I had it going all the way up to, what's that, 82.30. That's where I had my B going, but it looks like we got rejected right at my resistance, which was great. We're butting up against that resistance again. So be careful, 81.12 to 81.66. There's a little tiny range there, two resistances that could either one, in the space between them is the range. We still have to get above that. So if we can get above that, and then if we can break that green support, which is obviously now our resistance at 83.25, that could mean we are majorly bullish, and we might keep running up quite a bit more. And we might actually be going up to that 10K scenario I discussed. If we get rejected at those substantial resistance levels I'm indicating, then I still see we could drop to target 1 or target 2, which was my original target when I was working off that ABC bearish scenario. But again, since switching to my bullish scenario, I've been getting more and more confident with it. I really do like it. So keep an eye on those resistances. Make sure you note them on your charts and make sure you pay attention to them. And we'll see how this plays out. All right, trade safe.